fxy equals to xy over x squared plus y squared. Show that y times f sub x minus x times f sub y equals to y squared minus x squared divided with x squared plus y squared. So for this question, the first partial derivative with respect to x, we're going to use quotient rules because we have both x terms in numerator and denominator. So we know that the quotient rules is vu prime minus uv prime divided with v squared. So v is x squared plus y squared. Differentiate xy with respect to x is y, that is using constant multiple rules. U is xy, and differentiate v with respect to x. Differentiate x squared with respect to x is 2x, and differentiate y squared with respect to x0 because y squared is constant. Differentiate constant is 0. Divide with v squared, which is x squared plus y squared square. Let us simplify this. So we can factorize, or we may expand if you want, up to you, that one. Okay, so I would like to factorize y. So I've taken a y out, so we are left with x squared plus y squared, and this y has been taken out, so we are left with x times 2x is negative 2x squared. Divide with x squared plus y squared square. So y squared. X squared minus 2x squared is negative x squared. Divide with x squared plus y squared square. So now let us differentiate with respect to y. So if we differentiate with respect to y, we're going to use the same rules like we did for f sub x. We're going to use quotient rules because we have y terms in numerator and also in denominator. So using the quotient rules, v is x squared plus y squared. Differentiate xy with respect to y is x minus u is xy. Differentiate x squared plus y squared with respect to y is x squared is a constant, then differentiate x squared with respect to y is 0. Differentiate y squared with respect to y is 2y. Divide with x squared plus y squared square. So now let us simplify this. You may expand if you want, but let us factorize. So let us factorize x. We're left with x squared plus y squared minus y times 2y is negative because there's negative here. So negative 2y squared divide with x squared plus y squared square. So x squared, y squared minus with 2y squared is negative y squared divide with x squared plus y squared square. So what we're going to do next is we're going to substitute into x times f sub x minus x times f sub y to get this y squared minus x squared over x squared plus y squared. Alright. Let's substitute into this. So y times f sub x. F sub x is gonna be y square, because this y times with this y is y square. Okay, so y square minus x square divide with x square plus y square minus this x. We'll times it with this x. It's going to be x square minus y square divide with x square plus y square. Okay, so what we're going to do with this two is that we're going to factorize this negative out, I think. Okay, so we're gonna get y squared minus x squared. So if we factorize the negative out, it's going to be plus here, and this x squared, y squared minus x squared, divide with x squared plus y square. And if we factorize the y square minus x square, because these are same, so then we're left with y square plus x square, or we may write down as x square plus y square divide with x square plus y square. And if we divide this x square plus y square with x square plus y square, we're going to get y square minus x square divide with x squared plus y square. So yeah, here y squared minus x squared divide with x squared plus y square. So it is shown. Easy, that's it.